Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our cash stuffing for this week. I'm going to start off with some Happy Mail. This is some Happy Mail that I got from Tiffany from Saving with Tiffany. So she sent me this cute card. Hello, bright, pretty, sure to bring a smile. That's the kind of day I'd pick for you. And she says, hi, Courtney, thank you for being part of my journey. Enjoy being a part of yours. Here's a pick-me-up. So she sent me a couple of her scratch-off challenges. So some days I amaze myself. Other days I put the laundry in the oven. I definitely feel like that sometimes. And this is a Save 45. And I love these star stickers, Tiffany. These are so cute. I love that. I haven't had a challenge with scratch-off stickers yet. So that's very cute. And then this one is if you see me talking to myself, do not disturb. I'm having a staff meeting. And this little chicken is me this past week with all the craziness of the end of school year. Literally having a staff meeting with myself. Okay, and this looks like it's a mystery savings. So we'll have to see how fun. I love mystery savings because it's a little scary, but you know, that makes it exciting, in my opinion. All right, so we have some money here to stuff. We should have $535. So let me count our cash. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. And then let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wait, did I miss a 5? What did I miss? Because it should be 535. I know it's 535. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 510, there we go. And this is 25. Okay, so 535. It was I think there was some 10s there that were stuck together. Okay, so we're gonna start with allocating our money for all of the challenges that we do throughout the week. So we have our Sunday debt binder is gonna get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those ones are crispy. Then we have 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. We are putting $100 towards our Sunday debt binder, and that is all from my side hustle money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and then 2 20s. So it should be 100. 2, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 with those 5 ones. Okay, so we're putting that in this teal binder for Sunday. That's going to be the money that we stuff tomorrow. So it's Saturday when I'm recording this. Okay, then we have our scratch and save binder that we do on Wednesdays. And this is getting $50. So 5 ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 5s. 1, 2, 3, and 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. So we should have 50, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 5 ones makes 50. All right, so that's that money allocated for Wednesday. Okay, next we have our Mini Monday binder. This one is getting $40. So 5 ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 5, 1 10, and 1 20. So with this money, I don't get a ton of ones because usually I have ones like in the envelopes that I can like rearrange, and I kind of change out the bills as I need them. So we have 20, 30, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. So $40 going in here for Mini Mondays. And I will just find the ones as I need them in my other envelopes as I like cash condense. Okay, this one is our Tuesday binder for Tiny Tuesdays. This one is getting $30. So again, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're doing 2 5s and 1 10. So 10, 15, 20, wait. 5 ones. Oh, sorry, no, that's wrong. 5 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be it for $30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 5 ones makes 30. So that's for our Tiny Tot Tuesdays. Oh my gosh, my binders keep falling over here. Stop it. Okay, then our Friday, Festive Friday binder. Where is that? There it is. This binder is getting $20. We're doing 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 5s and 1 10. That should be 20. 10, 15. 20. Actually, I did this wrong. We have 25. Okay, so we're doing 25 in this binder this week. Okay, so that's all of our savings binders accounted for. Now we're going to stuff my wallet next. I don't have anything left over in my wallet this week, just some coins in here. So let's get these out. So I hope y'all are having a great weekend so far. After I film this video, I'm going to get ready to go on a little road trip to see my friend Vicky from Vicky Thinks. So that's exciting. I'm excited to meet her in person. All right, so groceries is getting $40 this week. We're getting 2 20s. I don't have Aria all week, so I think I can just kind of make do with $40. I feel like with Aria, I have to buy more things, but when it's just me, I don't know. I just kind of eat what I have in the house. So gas is getting 25, and dining out we're gonna do 40. So 2 20s. Okay, so that's our wallet. Next, we are doing our high priority binder. Okay, starting with our cell phone, which is getting $10. So we're going to color in another one of these. I just kind of updated these trackers this morning before I filmed this so that I could see, like, have a visual representation of where we're at in our savings. We need $210 by August something, August 19th. And so each one of these is 10. We need to get here before August. So I think if I save $10 a week, that should do it. So right now we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're almost halfway there. So I think we'll get there. We'll get there. All right, next is our hair. We are adding $10 to this. And each one of these items is $20 for a total of $480. I think we can get a haircut before we hit $480, but that's what this would save. So right now I did schedule a hair appointment, but then I'm going to be in France during that time. So I'm going to have to actually call and cancel or reschedule. So we should have actually extra time to save. So we have 100, 200, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 270, and let's see, 24681, 24682, 246. Yeah, we can't color in another one yet. Not until we have 280. Okay, so that's hair. Car insurance is getting 50. Each one of these trackers is $20. We're going to fill this out 2 times, and that will give us 1,120. So I have a little check mark here. Once we fill it out the first time, we'll color that in. When we fill it out the second time, we'll color that in, and we should be fully funded. So we have 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So 180. 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 4, 6, 70, 80. 180. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're coloring in 3 of these. Sorry, I don't know why I was so confused and struggling. Sometimes the math just doesn't make sense to me. It was never my strong suit in school. It was never my favorite subject. I don't know why. It's just hard for me to think in numbers. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's right. So 180. All right, so for car insurance. Road trip, we are adding $20. And I have a tracker in here, but I'm not filling it out because I really didn't start saving for this until I figured out I was going to France. So this is just like spending money for France, but my sister just bought the ticket like spontaneously, so I haven't really had time to save. So that's okay. We're just going to save what we can. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 saved, which will probably not be a lot, but that's okay. It's okay. We will figure it out. Okay, next, this envelope doesn't have a label, but it is for my business, so I'm adding $50 in here. So 2 20s and a 10. That's just for any expenses that I have, paper, ink, whatever. And then taxes, so whatever I made this week in my side hustle, I'm taking like 10% basically. So I think 10% was technically $13, but I'm just going to add 10 for taxes. Okay, then let's see. Yeah, so that's our high priority. And then we just have our kind of low priority sinking funds. So this week we're going to stuff entertainment. That's going to get 10. Gifts is going to get 10. So entertainment just has 10. Gifts now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And wellness is going to get 5. So we have 5, 10, 15. So we can color in another one of these. And these sinking funds, I do put my mini Mondays towards these sinking funds, but I also try to stuff what I can throughout, like every week, because where did the envelope go? There it is. Because it's just expensive to live, guys. It's expensive to live. Okay. And then our future categories, I don't really have like this set up yet, but eventually I want to do like, I don't know, like $3 for like future savings. So long-term savings, like a new car, a house, like down payment, extra retirement money, new electronics, like an emergency fund build up. So I'm not tracking these yet, but we have 10, 20, 25, 26, and $27 in here. So eventually I want to start doing that. Maybe this summer I can start doing that, where I add like $3 for each category every week. Just like very low savings each week for those categories to start building up some money for those things. All right, so that is it for our video today, guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And for our emoji today, oh, here we go, cute. Leave a little butterfly to let me know that you made it to the end of the video. And I will see y'all tomorrow for our debt binder and our, well, it's our games and collabs binder. All right, bye.